When you open your 6-way stretch strap, pull the strap through the buckle to create the padded loop for your head. Start seated on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. A chair with a cushion or padding is best, as it provides friction which helps keep the strap from sliding under your leg as you perform the stretches. Sit forward on the chair at about mid-seat to ensure there is space between you and the back of the chair. While seated, your back should be slightly arched, pushing your belly forward. You should feel a stretch throughout the exercises. If you experience pain or tightness, loosen the stretch or stop use entirely. Stretch number 1. Start with the loop portion of the strap around your head. The buckle will be over your eye and the strap in front of your shoulder on the same side. Turn your head towards the shoulder on the side you are stretching. Put the strap under the outside of your leg, pulling it towards your midline, and hold up to 40 seconds. Stretch number 2. Keeping the strap tucked under your leg, relax the strap enough to move the buckle from over your eye to over your ear with the strap resting over the peak of your shoulder. Pull the strap towards your midline to engage the stretch and hold for up to 40 seconds. Stretch number 3. Keep the buckle over your ear, relax the strap, and move the strap behind your shoulder. You will also want to slide the strap higher under your leg towards your hip. Turn your head as far as you comfortably can towards your shoulder. Pull the strap towards your midline to engage the stretch and hold up to 40 seconds. Stretch number 4, 5, and 6 are the same as numbers 1, 2, 3, just repeated on the opposite side. Stretch number 4. Relax the strap and move both the strap and buckle to your other side. The buckle will be in front of the opposite eye that you started with, and the strap should be placed in front of your shoulder and tucked under the leg on the same side. Pull the strap towards the midline to complete the stretch and hold for up to 40 seconds. Stretch number 5. Relax the strap and shift the buckle over your ear. The strap will rest over the peak of your shoulder. Pull the strap towards the midline to complete the stretch and hold for up to 40 seconds. Stretch number 6. Relax the strap and move it behind the shoulder, keeping the buckle over your ear. Move the strap further under your leg towards your hip. Turn your head as far as you comfortably can towards your shoulder. Pull the strap towards your midline to engage the stretch and hold for up to 40 seconds.